Modern cars have such amazing tires that these type of situations aren't nearly as bad as it would have been. Okay, that's the indicator. Like 10 years ago. Now be careful, Paige, the tires are still wet. The tires are very wet through here. Still wet. You can really trust the front of this car. You really can trust the front of this car. Downshift was a bit aggressive there. Sorry about that, BMW. But you can exit this car sideways out of any corner. Oh, that was a big one. That was a big one. That was a big one. I saw someone there with a camera phone. I'm sorry, I'm not going to do any slidey slide stuff. Braking. Stay in third gear. Oh, it's so scary. It's so scary. Limit line braking, no problem.